All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another one reaching us right now. There is panic in Yoruba land right now, most especially in Ogun State, as Fulani finally sends message for reprisal attack in Ogun State. And then majority of these places, the name had been mentioned. My brother, my sister, what exactly is going on right now? Yes, oh no, we have said this time to that number that majority of people, in fact, everyone needs to be at alert because this set of Fulani people, the way they attack, the way they operate, they will give they'll give people some time to have forgotten about anything. A lot of people be like, oh, nothing they happen, I not tell you. I beg you, let's relax. By the time you are relaxing, that is when they always storm. And then exactly what is going on right now. These are breaking news. Anyway, panic in Yoruba land as Fulani finally sends reprisal attack to Yoruba people in Nigeria. All right, so and then a lot of things are actually been said. Well, according to the letter sent, I'll be reading that to your hearing right now. Okay, the letter says, I quote, attention, attention, attention to the following communities, namely Asha, Agbon, Ibeku, Oja, Odon, and then its environ. You think you can send our people away from the land they bought in Nigeria with their hard-earned money, our father's land. You killed our people. You killed their cows. You took off all their properties. You think you can go scot-free? It is high time we are coming for revenge. All the above mentioned community leaders should prepare for war between December and then January 30, January 2023. Yes, we are coming to take back our father's property. Yes, so and then this one had been written both in English and then in Hausa language. And then this is another strong one that I think will be happening to the Yoruba people. But God definitely will escape us through. That's exactly our prayer. But one thing is, we all need to gather ourselves together and then do the needful. Now, this set of people are actually coming. They have sent messages. A lot of people who have enough money will now, like some, let's say some set of people who are so rich will, as a matter of fact, trying to run away from that environment. And then, a lot of places had been mentioned in Ogun State that the Fulani said they are coming to revenge and they do a lot of how they behave and all that. This is so serious. Well, the names of those communities that they said they will be visiting, the number one we have here is Asha. The number two is Agbon. The number three is Ibeku. Oja, the number four, and then its environ. Now, what does that tell you? This is another strong one. The people need to wake up on because right now this is just to show that there's no security in the land, and at the same time this is just to show that there's nothing like one Nigeria, because if there is one Nigeria in the first place, my brother and sisters, this set of people will not even be in the country in the first place, let alone trying to revenge and then attack people. This is exactly what we are talking about. Now, it had been gathered that most of these monarchs had been warned severally not to sell the Yoruba land to any stranger, most especially the Fulani people. And exactly what we are facing with right now. Because right now, this set of people are not joking. When they send letter like that, and they might give you some months, like now giving the people 2 months between December and January. My brother and my sister, don't get it twisted. This set of people might not even come that same December and January. They might just come like when you have forgotten everything by February. and exactly what we are talking about. How long are we going to continue like this? Now, it has been gathered that monarchs should stop selling lands to these people, but they will not hear. Now, they are returning against them, which is very bad. Hmm. This is so bad. This does not worth it at all. That's exactly what I would say. Yeah. So, and then meanwhile, a lot of people are like, how long are we going to continue in this mess? Why can't they allow us to go our separate ways? And I think that's the question of majority of people right now. That is it by force to be together? And then each time we want to leave, they will find one way or the other to distract and disrupt the movement. And then this is not something that we should take lightly. Where are the security men? Now, some set of people will be running out of that country, out of that state right now. And then, have you ever considered, no, the people who cannot afford to leave that same state? Because we have said this times with that number. Because this set of people we are actually talking about, is it the people who cannot even, feed themselves that will now be saying they want to leave? People who do not even have, a better place to stay where they are that they are managing. Are those the kind of people you want to attack? Where do you want this set of people to run to? And exactly what we are talking about. Yes, because the way the whole issue is going right now, my brother, if care is not taken, like if care is not taken, what we are saying right now is will just be a kind of minor when this other one will come. But the truth of the matter is we have to be very prayerful. And then with what is going on, we notice that prayers have been answered. Yes, so because right now a lot of things have been exposed. A lot of things have been exposed to the people, to the good people of of Yoruba land. So in that first place, we need to thank God for revealing all this and for His mercy. It's not an easy thing, my brother. It's not easy at all. But we just need to be very very prayerful, be vigilant, be watchful. What exactly is going on? Hmm. That is serious. And then right now, a lot of people have been like, as far as Nigeria is concerned, that nobody should believe that there is something called one Nigeria. Hmm. Because the way the whole matter is going now, it's only the good Lord that will save us all. Is it the people that have not, that are looking for what to eat, that have not eaten for days, that want to say, oh, they want to attack Fulanis that are loaded? Or this same set of people, where do you think they will go to? And exactly what we are talking about. We do not have a government that has our time. But all they are after is to make their own money, selfish gain, and enjoy themselves. How long are we going to continue in this manner? And exactly why we are here. All right, my people, this is exactly what it is right now. Onto this, what more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.